Here's a quick SEO win for 2021. It's an SEO quick win that you can use anytime this year, and you can also reuse next year. The first thing we need to do is find all of the posts on our blog that have 2020 in the title. So I'm going to use my Fat Frog Media site, and site:/fatfrogmedia.com command will show me all of the pages that Google has indexed. If I add 2020 to this, the search results presents a list of blog posts that have 2020 somewhere in the post, and generally speaking, the posts with 2020 in the title will be near the top. So this command is site:/yourdomain space 2020. You can easily scan down to find any posts that have years in the title. They will generally be near the top. So then we need to just edit the blog posts to show 2021. In this way, we are effectively optimizing for searches that use the current year modifier. If somebody searches for the best podcasts for entrepreneurs in 2021, my post will be optimized for that. I can also run through the entire post and just have a look around to see where 2020 is still mentioned or the old date is still mentioned, and I can change it there. The most important part is the title. Make sure you don't change the URL slug, the URL or the permalink. Keep it the same, even if it contains the previous year or the date. Google's advice is to never change the URL. You can do it if you really want to, but what I would do is remove the date or the year from your URL completely so that you can continue to reuse the post every year without further modifications. If you do that, you'll need to create a permanent redirect using either your SEO tool or directly in the htaccess file. That post will then be evergreen, and you only need to change the title to reflect the current year. One thing you might want to also check is if you're using an SEO plugin that you don't have a different SEO title. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm using SEO Press. I prefer this to Yoast. If you've changed the title at any stage and it contains the year, make sure to make edits here also. Update the post, go to Google Search Console and re-index the post for a small but important SEO improvement.